Students, today we will discuss a new chapter, that is triangles. What do you know about triangles? What we studied about triangles? We know triangle, a plane figure bounded by three lines in a plane is called triangle. Yes or no? Every triangle have three sides and three angles. We know that. If ABC is any triangle, then AB, BC and CA are the sides. ABC are the angles. We studied about this triangle. Yes or no? Based on these sides and angles, we have six types of triangles. Okay. Based on sides, we have three types of triangle. Based on angle, we have three types of triangle. Okay. Total, there are six. Okay. Based on sides, we have three types. No. First one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle whose no two sides are equal. Means, suppose I have a triangle ABC. In this triangle, AB, side AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. Then I can say this triangle is scalene triangle. Okay. Next comes to isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle. Two sides are equal. Any two sides of this triangle are equal. Then is called isosceles triangle. Means, suppose I have triangle DEF. In this DEF triangle, I have side DE is equal to DF. Then I can say this triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay. Next comes to equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle in which all the sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. See, in this triangle ABC, this triangle I have side AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Then I can say this triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay. These three are base. These three are bases of sides. Okay. We have three triangle. On the basis of angles, we have three types of triangle. Yes or no? First one is right triangle. Right triangle means a triangle in which one angle is right angle, means equal to 90 degree. Okay, is called right angle triangle. See, this triangle ABC, I have angle B, I have 90 degree. Yes or no? Then I can say this triangle is right triangle. Okay. Second one is acute triangle. Acute triangle means a triangle in which all the angles are acute. Acute means less than 90. Okay. Then these are called acute triangle. Okay. Suppose I have a triangle DEF. In this triangle, angle D is less than 90, angle E is also less than 90, angle F is also less than 90. Then I can say this is acute triangle. Okay. Next comes to obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle is a triangle in which any one angle is obtuse, means greater than 90, is called obtuse triangle. Means I have a triangle PQR. In this angle Q have greater than 90. Okay, then this triangle is called obtuse triangle. Next comes to congruent figure. Congruent figure we studied in 9th standard. Yes or no? What's that congruent means? Congruent means what? Congruent figure means what? Congruent figure means two geometrical figures are said to be congruent. Then they must have same shape and same size, are called congruent. Yes or no? Suppose I have two squares. I have two squares. Squares means shape is same. Then see, this size 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This is also having 2 centimeters. Then I can say ABCD, square ABCD and PQRS are congruent figures. Okay, I can say. For example, more are there. See, two squares of same length. See this, and also two circles of same radii are also congruent. Next two rectangles of the same dimensions are also congruent. Okay, we studied in 9th standard. But in this class, we will study what's meant by similar triangle. Okay.
Students, in this class we will continue the chapter triangles. Okay. In previous class, what we studied? We studied about triangles, types of triangles, yes or no? And congruent figures. Okay. We studied about that. In this class, we will discuss what's meant by similar figures. Okay. What's meant by similar triangle, because we are studying triangles. So, we'll continue the similar triangle. Okay. And some theorems. Based on that theorem, we can solve the problems. Okay. So, we will discuss similar figures. Similar figures means two geometrical figures having same shape and there is no necessary the size, same size. Okay. And congruent figures means they must have same shape and same size. But similar means they have same shape but there is no necessary the same size. For example, circles. I have two circles. They have same shape, circle shape. So, I can say these two are similar figures. Okay. And see this line segment. And remember, all the circles are similar. Okay. Take any circle. Take any two circle. They are similar. Okay. Next example, line segment. I have a line segment, two line segment, AB and CD. These two are similar because these two have same shape but there is no necessary the size. Okay. These two are similar. Next, I have two triangle, two equilateral triangle. Yes or no? These two are similar because these two have same shape. Okay. I can say these two are similar. Next comes to take any squares. Any two squares. These two squares are similar because these two shape have same shape. So I can say these two are similar. Okay. Understood the similar figure? Okay. We will continue the similarity triangles. Okay. This chapter is based on triangles. So we will discuss similarity of triangles. Similarity of triangles means I have triangle ABC and DEF are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. See, in this triangle, I have three angles. Yes or no? ABC and this have DEF are three angles. Suppose angle A is equal to angle D. Corresponding angles are equal. See, angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. So, this is first condition. Second condition, corresponding sides are proportional. Means this AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF is equal to CA divided by FD. These two conditions satisfy, then I can say these two are similarity of triangles. Okay. This is about similarity triangle. See, this sign. This sign is similarity proportion. Okay. This sign is read as is similar to. Okay. Suppose these two are similar triangle. I can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay.